Hi kids, spring is on the way, so I am going to read you Little Blue Truck's Springtime. You can just imagine all that warm, sunny weather we're going to start having. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with his good friend Toad. Do you see him in the truck? It's a yoo-hoo sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Who do you think they're going to run into? Yoo-hoo sheep, beep, beep, what's new? A little white lamb and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? What do you think? Yoo-hoo duck and ducklings 9. Wow, can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and mama. Yoo-hoo goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo cow, just munching corn. Look at him. Yoo-hoo little calf just born. All these things happen in the spring. Mama pig, who's in your pen? What do you think? Oh my goodness. Yoo-hoo piglets, 1 to 10. Should we count those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, they're all there. Ears in clover, that looks fun. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo bunny. Oh, look over here. What do you think? There's the bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. Look. Lots of bunnies. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap. Anybody home? Who's inside this smooth, round dome? So there's the truck. What do you think the smooth, round dome is they're talking about? Oh, I bet you can guess now. What is that? Is that an egg? Well, let's see. Crickety crack, everybody shout. Yoo-hoo chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by, birds that sing, frogs that leap. Yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. And that's what happens in the spring on a farm. All the baby animals are born. So you be watching to see what baby animals might be being born around you. Have a great day. Bye.